Hey guys, happy Monday. We are doing a repeat client that loves our service. We're doing his carpeting. We're gonna get it clean, hygienic. Had a couple pet issues. We're gonna get the contamination removed, and then we're protected with 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐞. Not too bad here today in the Midwest in St. Louis, but we're gonna do it to it. Hey, let's go. Hey guys, with my client Alan. We are in St. Louis, Missouri today. Great guy. He's a repeat client. He used me before, and we have talked about a lot about his history here, what he's done. He has a beautiful home, and we were able to take care of his carpet cleaning and get it restored back to the original state. Took care of some pet issues, and guys, he's excited, and he wants to leave me a video testimonial. Without further ado, Alan, take it away.
Yeah. Okay. Real glad to do this. Did a great job for me several years ago, and in fact, I took a picture of his van at that time because I liked his equipment and the way he was organized, and so I had him back here again this year. And I'm sure I'll give some recommendations for him. And
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Alan. That lets everybody know what we can do for him and the service we can provide. And as always, we appreciate your business.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Morning, guys. What a beautiful day it is out here in Waterloo, Illinois. We're doing a client that found us online. So our reviews, testimonials, booked on the spot. They just bought this home. Lovely property. And we're going to take care of the carpets and protect it. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, we have everything set up. All is well. Today, we're doing 4 areas of carpet and some walk-in closets. They just bought this home, and they're excited, guys. They're closing actually at 10 a.m. today on this fine Wednesday. Yeah, guys, nice neighborhood, beautiful area. We're gonna take care of the carpets, get them protected, and back to the original state. We're also going to advise getting their HVAC cleaned too, since they just bought the home. Always a good idea. Even a new home, guys, always a good idea to get the construction dust out and all the stuff that, lingers in there from contractors. Get it all removed so you're not breathing it into your lungs. So, little tip of the day, guys. Hey, let's go. Show you what we're doing. Got some upstairs area. So we're doing this area right here. Suburban carpet. You see a couple stains there. We'll get that suspended. Got this bedroom. Always a good idea to turn the fan on as well to help expedite drying. This area, the lived-in area over there. And this area. Of course, they have a walk-in closet over here. Right there. Looks like a little stain right there. We'll get that up. Yeah, guys, we'll get it going. Stay tuned. Guys, doing a little pre-treating. Looks like they have a little golf course over there. You guys see them driving the golf course? That's kind of cool. Nice little scenery. All right, we're pre-treating this area so it can dwell. We'll come back and agitate it with our CRB and steam it out. Sanitize the fibers. Hey, let's go. Nice. All right, guys, I'm CRBing it now. You guys probably know in other videos I do, if you follow me, this helps agitate and suspend the soil on the carpet fibers. It breaks the bond, so to speak. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Welcome to AOCleaning for administration. We have valuable tips, techniques, and information to help you as a homeowner or an investor. We do all things floor care related. If you walk on it, we work on it, as well as duct and vent cleaning. So welcome to our channel if you're new, and if you're not and you follow us, thank you again for your support. So I always give free nuggets and tips to help your investment, which is your home, so you know how to properly take care of it and keep everything hygienic, maintained in the best shape possible. So to recap, we're doing some carpeting. This is a contractor grade Berber We're suspending the soil by agitating it. We already pre-treated it, and to break the bond of the soil from the fiber. And after this, we're going to sanitize it and steam it out, and it'll be back to original state. And then we're going to reprotect it with carpet fabric protector, otherwise known as Scotch Guard. And we do use a few other applications. Maximum is another one we use, depending on if we want to do an oil or water-based protection. But basically, when your carpet's new, they bake it on in the factory. But over time, because your fibers are flexible, it does wear off. And it's a good idea after the 2-year mark to get it reprotected once you get the carpets cleaned. And that is based on the carpet mill and the EPA. So all the carpet mill manufacturers do recommend that. If not, you're vulnerable to stains and spills. And if you do it yourself, a lot of times you do void your warranty. A little tip of the day: if you clean your carpet yourself, you void your warranty if your carpet, in fact, has a warranty on it. Which, if you have a contractor's grade and just bought the home like that, you probably won't have that information. But if you do go to the store and redo your carpet, whether you have a nylon or a polyester or a tigressa or a hybrid, you always come to the warranty and the terms and conditions, and they do request that if you want to keep your warranty valid, to get it cleaned every 12 to 18 months, regardless if it looks dirty. Because they understand a clean, healthy carpet is a carpet that's going to last a long time. The less abrasions, the better. So if you do yourself, unfortunately, you do void your warranty. Because you didn't go to school for this, we did, and we followed the IICRC certification that they came up with to properly and effectively clean your carpet the right way, using the right techniques, systems, and chemistry. The rug doctor, unfortunately, will not do it. Now, if you do use a rug doctor, a couple problems with that is you plug it in, it doesn't have enough CFMs, which is enough lift. And a lot of times, it's not strong enough to extract the water. So what happens, guys, it goes into your subfloor, your padding, and it stays wet a long time. And then you can create mold and mildew, right? Because it's not powerful enough to extract it. Now, you do have some extraction, but not enough. Like with our system, we have a truck mount, and it's powerful, very powerful to extract all that water from the subfloor padding and carpet, and it's designed that way. That's why we can also extract water, like water damage. And that's just a better clean, and that's why the carpet manufacturers recommend our system. Now, there is other systems you could use, whether it's 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 that is approved also by the CRI or the IICRC to keep your warranty valid. But if you do it yourself, guys, unfortunately, you do void your warranty. So don't be cheap. Don't be cheap. And typically, rule of thumb, how much it costs in a carpet? Typically, it costs 10% whatever your carpet costs to install, and also the price of the carpeting. So if it costs, for example, this 4 areas, it may cost, $5,000 to replace. But typically, this job should be about $500 with protection. Okay. If without the protection, you're right around $300 on average. So that kind of is a rule of thumb to follow, guys. And again, you're protecting your investment. Now, your carpet's also made to be vacuumed, so vacuum regularly, at least 2 to 3 days a week. How many of you guys do that, right? Probably not many, but I do advise at least once a week. And clean up any prompt spills. The difference between a spot and a spill is 24 hours. If it dries, it dies. So keep it wet, keep it active until you can extract it and get a transfer or call a professional like AOCleaning. So a little tip of the day, guys. I don't want to be long-winded. I know it's about 5 minutes long in the video. But a little tip to help you guys know that you have the right company and follow the right company for advice. If you're local, reach out to us, get on the schedule. We got to serve you. Hey, let's go. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Steaming it out now, as you can see. Responding very, very well. You can see that. It's about 240 degrees right now. Again, this is going to sanitize and neutralize the pH of the chemistry that we use and make it soft and residue free. All right, I'm gonna finish up. Thanks for watching. Hey, let's go. Guys, a little update. We're doing the foyer area now. We've already did the bedrooms. Look at that, guys, beautiful. We're steaming it out now. Beautiful. Look at that difference, guys. If you need this done, AOCleaning.com. We do a 30-mile radius of our location in Columbia, serving all of St. Louis, St. Clair, Madison, Monroe, Clinton, Randolph, and surrounding counties. Beautiful. They're gonna love it, guys. They also have a newborn baby soon. Brand new home. We're gonna be happy. Beautiful. All right, guys. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, we got everything cleaned and hygienic. Look at that, guys. Remember those stains are right over there and right here, all gone. Another happy client. Hey, let's go. Beautiful home. On the next one. We also left our literature and a free bottle of our spot out. Hey, let's go.